Hello guys, it's Kate. So if you're wondering, there is LUSH unboxing. Yes, I've already opened this. I'm just showing you what's in. I got a better angle that time, I think. This is our box. It came in this nice little wrapping and stuff, but it's a box and it has 4 stuff. I wish I could show you like some of the other stuff that wasn't ruined. Like there's this little thing that I used half of. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so good. You got for this one that I'm like going to not open it. Okay. Ew, it's like squishy here and it like has yellow dots around it that have mostly fallen out. It's like stars and the bottom's flat. But yeah, that's our number 1. Look, guys, this one smells pretty good. It has like sparkly stuff. So it's like a milk carton. Yes. This is like a sandwich almost. Like, yes. It smells like candy. But I'm not going to eat it because that would be dangerous. And I'm not going to do that. One was called, the swirly thing was called the Comforter. And it says the ingredients. And then the Big Bang was the second one, which was, so the first one was this, which is the Comforter. The second one was this one, which is the Big Bang. The third one was Milky Bath. And this one is the sandwich thing. It's called Yuzu and Cocoa. So, yeah. I'm actually going to use one right now. And I'm not sure which one. We'll do a smell test. Alright, I think this one won our competition, but this one smells better. Since I've already used half of this, I'm going to use this one.